Okay, like I said, first, I wanted to start from somewhere, okay, to understand the basic about chords, okay. Like I asked you, we had a major seventh and a minor seventh chord, okay. This is a major seventh, this is a minor seventh, okay. You have a major and a minor seventh. You have a major seventh here. You have a minor seventh. You have a major seventh. You have a minor seventh. Okay, so at first you need to understand your roots, your scale, okay, your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, okay, then okay, so now you know your major, your normal major chord, right? Okay, this is your do, re, mi, fa, sol. Note that forms the do chord is a do, sol, do, mi, or do, sol, mi, do, anyone. Okay, the normal major chord. So now, how to get your major seventh there is you just take your first finger to the root. Okay, your index finger goes to the T. Your ring finger goes to the saw on the fourth string. While your pinky finger goes to the mi. Okay. Okay, so now note that forms a major seventh is just the T. Okay, when you apply, when you make the T sound, that's a major seventh chord. Okay. Okay, so that is a major seventh chord, and you can play that also on the 8th fret here. Okay, this is the 8th fret. This is another root here of the key of C. You can have your major seventh here on the 8th fret. Okay. Okay. Now this is what I'm playing now. From the 8th fret to the 7th. Okay, to the 10th note and to the 5th note. Okay. So now because this is your root also. Okay. So now you can take your first finger to the root there, while your ring finger goes to the T. Okay, and then your pinky finger go under the T. That is your mi. Okay, then your first index finger go to the saw down there. Okay, that is your major seven. Okay, on this particular shape. Okay, you see some guitarists holding your chord like this. That is a major seven. You play from the 6th string, the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd. Okay, like look at my. Okay, so that is a major 7, and you can play it here also on the after the root here, because this is your do again. All right, so you can have your major 7 here again. Your do, sol, ti, mi. Okay. All right. So that is your major 7.